Welcome back, viewers. So today we will be testing the Elder Ray Bull and Bear Power Oscillators. But before we do, if you have not watched my first video and the videos after that, you need to go do that right now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team, and as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down in the description below. You can also find a link to our Discord server, so that way we can all discuss testing indicators and building our trading system. And lastly, you can find a link below to TradingView. If you sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money using the link below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Elder Ray Bull and Bear Power Oscillators. But before we do, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 46 indicators. And out of those 46 indicators, 14 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch that video to understand the context of how it was able to achieve that. So as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of those 14 indicators and get out there and profitably start trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, as I said, today's indicator will be the Elder Ray Bull and Bear Power Oscillators. So we have reached the point in the channel where we are going to start diving in and testing the indicators that have been written and created by the other members on the TradingView platform. And so if you have watched all my videos or watched a few of them here and there, you know that I give TradingView a very high score as one of the best trading platforms out there. And that's because of its wealth of information and its wealth of knowledge from other members on the platform. So one of those things that I love so much is the ability for other members on TradingView to write their own indicators and build them to be used and published for the entire public to use as well. And so what we are going to do is start diving in and testing those indicators, because I feel like there are a lot of really great indicators out there that have been created by the other members on TradingView. So the first one we are going to test is this one here. In any of these indicators that I test that were created by a member here on TradingView, I will put the link to that specific indicator on their profile down in the description below. So the creator of this particular indicator described it as two oscillating lines that are reading the power of the bulls in the bears. Let me go in here and make a few tweaks. Change this to a brighter red, and I am going to bump up the line weight of these here. Alright. And so as I said, the creator of this indicator explains it as two lines, one for the bulls and one for the bears, and it is basically an oscillating line that is measuring the strength of either the bull or the bear on this particular pair. And so as these lines are oscillating, they also have a zero line that they are oscillating around. And the creator of this actually set up these little dots, as you can see here, that will fire off telling us when there is a short signal or a long signal. And that is basically how we are going to trade it. when we get a dot for a short signal, and then when we get a dot for a long signal. Pretty simple, right? And that's a good thing about a lot of these indicators that are built by the other members on the platform, is that you'll find often they are dialed in really good, built really well, and a good majority of them have these little signals that tell you when there is a trade opportunity. Not always, but a good majority of them. And again, that's just the benefits that I see in using a platform like TradingView that has all these great members and all this wealth of information at your disposal. So let's get to the testing process here. Again, we are looking for the dot, either green or red, to appear. And when it does, that is going to be the signal to go long or to go short. I have not ran a back test on this particular indicator yet, and so I am not 100% sure if we are going to get any kind of a repaint or how exactly it's going to function in the backtesting replay function on TradingView. But we will see here very soon. Oh, there we go. So that is the first signal to go short right there. Let's play it out a little bit, and a very good signal there. That definitely was a winning trade. And it looked like there was no repainting. Looked like the signal happened in real time, which is all very good things. All right, let's keep plugging along here and looking for some more trading signals here. It doesn't seem to fire off a lot of signals. I can already see that playing around with it, but that's not necessarily a horrible thing. We'll find out once we get to the end of the year exactly how well it does. All right, next signal right there, that is a long signal. Unfortunately, looks like it eventually got a little bit of strength behind the move, but ultimately I don't think it happened before it dropped out and stopped us out. Yep, so that would have been a losing trade. So we are at 50-50 at this point. Then we get a signal right there. It's telling us to go short. We'll ride it out here just a little bit and see. So it does look like it also eventually went short. But the question is, did it happen before stopping us out? And it doesn't appear as though it did. Let's ruler this out one more time. Oh boy, that was close. Very, very close. Let's see here. Signal there. This would have been the next candle. That is the open 1520 1625. Let's see. Nope. It barely missed it before turning around and going in our direction. So that would have been a winning trade. Get pretty close to the end of the year now. Let's see if we can get possibly another trade. This is one thing that I do notice about this indicator is it is really good about keeping you out of this really choppy markets. And as I've said many times, that is extremely important because these choppy markets will eat up the vast majority of the really good profit that you'll get. You get these moments like right through here where it just rides and rides and rides and just chop you in and out of tons and tons of profit. All right, we are at the end of the year and it doesn't take too much to see what happened here. We have 3 trades, and out of those 3 trades, 2 of them would have been winning trades and what looks like really decent winning trades at that. And so yeah, this is our first indicator that was created by one of the TradingView members, and it did a really decent job. Really wish it would have given us more signals throughout the year here, but nonetheless, it gave us winning trades and met the criteria we were looking for, and so it's going to go on the yes list. And we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. As part of the team, it's important that you are seeing the new videos as they come out so you know what it is that we are discussing and what indicators we are testing, have tested, and have not tested. Also, like usual, there is a link below in the description to the Discord server. You can join us on Discord so that way we can further discuss the indicators and have discussions as we move forward building our trading system. And lastly, like usual, there is a link below to TradingView. If you like what you see whenever I use TradingView and you are interested in signing up for TradingView, if you use the link below and sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money. So, all right, everybody, I will see you on the next video.